Many youngsters have played over the years for Manchester United, where some were good and some were not. But this guy was destined for greatness, from scoring a debut goal against Aston Villa to leaving a Serie B side for free. What happened to Federico Macheda? Macheda was born in Rome, Lazio. His dad was a security guard while his mother was a maid in a hotel. Macheda began his footballing career at Lazio. Due to Italian football regulation preventing under 18s from signing a contract, Macheda joined Manchester United. After joining Manchester United, his early life in England didn't went any well. He was close to leaving the country due to the financial problems. Speaking to ESPN, Macheda said, and I quote, I earn about £600 a month. That wasn't enough for a family to live on. There had been misunderstanding about the money and my father got angry in a meeting. We threatened to leave, but United gave us a loan against my future contract. After impressing for the reserve, Macheda was given the first chance in the first team when he was named as a substitute against Aston Villa. He came on when United were 2-1 down. Mere second remained when Giggs slipped a pass into Macheda just inside the box. He spun with a curved turn and bent his shot on the stretch while falling backwards, beyond the reach of Brad Friedel. With that, Macheda scored his first goal for Manchester United. Following scoring on his debut, Macheda again came off the bench against United's next opponent, Sunderland. Just 46 seconds after taking on the field, Macheda had the ball back in the net for the second time in his United career, deflecting a Michael Carrick shot past Greg Gordon in the Sunderland goal. At the end of his first season in Manchester United first team, he was named as Jimmy Murphy Academy Player of the Year for his performance in under 18s, reserve and the first teams. Ferguson suggested that he should go out on a loan deal to an English side, but Macheda decided to go back to Italy and join Sampdoria on a loan deal, a decision he lived to regret. In fact, in an interview with ESPN, Macheda described it as, and I quote, the worst mistake of my life. Nothing magical happened in Sampdoria with him. He only scored one goal and was 14 league games without scoring, as his side were relegated to Serie B. On January of 2012, Macheda was loaned out to fellow Premier League club Queen's Park Rangers for the rest of the season. However, just 3 games into the season, he picked up an ankle injury, thus means an operation, which means he have to go back to Manchester United for the therapy. A year on, he went back to loan, this time to Germany with Stuttgart. It was another frustrating goalless season as there was an option to buy, but the sporting director of Stuttgart decided not to use it. After a stint in Germany, he chose to take a step down to Championship, first with Doncaster on a 1-month loan where he scored 3 goals in 3 matches. On October of 2013, Macheda returned to Manchester United after a hamstring injury. After recovering from injury, Macheda returned to Doncaster for a separate loan spell, lasting until the end of December 2013. In January of 2014, Macheda joined Championship club Birmingham City. This stint with the club helped him recognize how good he could be, as he finished top scorer for Birmingham City with 10 goals. After his contract expired at Man United, Macheda joined Cardiff, where he was managed by his old reserve manager and the greatest manager of all time, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Everything looked right for Macheda to prove himself that he is the guy for Cardiff that will bring the Cardiff back to the Premier League. But he couldn't accept the injury. He only managed 13 appearances in the space of 2 seasons and spent an unsuccessful loan in Nottingham Forest. Cardiff mutually terminated his contract. In December of 2016, he joined Serie B side Novara on an 18-month contract. Even though he was not top scorer in the league, he still managed a respectable 11 goals in 50 matches, earning him a move to a Greece side. Macheda signed a 3-year contract with Super League Greek side Panathinaikos.
Panathinaikos.
He scored 26 goals in 65 appearances. On 27 August, Macheda agreed to contract extension until the summer of 2023. At the end of this video, I can only say one thing. I hope he's enjoying his football in Greece and having best time in his life. To Manchester United fan, he would be always known as a cult hero to score a goal against Aston Villa in a cup match. And what a goal that was too.